everyone, welcome to the channel. Today in this video we are going to learn how to create time field type in Salesforce. We are going to discuss this topic in both edition in Salesforce Lightning as well as Classic. So before we will proceed to learn how to create it, we will first discuss what is time field type in Salesforce. The time field type in Salesforce is defined as a field type that is used to track the time, manage the time, event planning, and project management. To track the time, we can select the time field type. This time field type is used as a timestamp that does not involve the date. The time field type is used when we need a time of day. It is not particular to a single day. Basically, the time field type is used to manage time and schedule posts on the website. This time field type can also be used to show the business hours. Now proceed further and learn to create the time field type in our Salesforce Lightning org. For creating the time field type, firstly click on our gear icon. This is my gear icon. Click on that. And under this gear icon, there are two options. The first one is setup and the another one is service setup. So click on the setup option. After clicking on the setup option, the setup page is open. Here you can see there is a two tab, home tab and the object manager tab on the nav bar. Click on the object manager tab. After clicking on the object manager tab, the object manager page is open. Now here we want to choose the opportunity object. So enter the opportunity in the quick find box and the opportunities comes at the top and click on the opportunity object. After clicking on the opportunity object, the opportunity page is open. Here you can see on the left side there is a detail section and under this detail section there is a field and relationship option. Click on this field and relationship option. After clicking on the field and relationship option, the field and relationship page is open. Here we want to create the time field type. Here we want to create the new field type. So click on the new button. After clicking on the new button, here you can see that the data type page is open. There are lots of data type present under this page. Here we are selecting the time data type. So click on the time data type and then click on the next button. After clicking on the next button, the opportunity new custom field page is open. Now enter the details related to the opportunity new custom field. Firstly fill the field label and here we are entering the field label as time duration. And then we enter the field name which is automatically filled by simply clicking on the field. And after that fill the description if you want to fill. Otherwise leave it as it is. Now click on the next button. After entering the details, now establish the field level security. Now select the profiles to which we want to grant the added access to this field via field level security. The field will be hidden from all the profiles if we do not add to it field level security. Click on the visible checkbox and then click on the next button. After establishing the field level security, now add the custom field to the page layout. Select the page layout that should include this field. This field will be added as the last field in the first two column section of this page layout. And then click on the save button. After clicking on the save button, we again come to the field and relationship page, and under this page we can see that our time duration time type field is created successfully. Now move ahead and discuss about how to create time field type in Salesforce Classic. For creating the time field type in Salesforce Classic, we first move to our Classic version. So for moving to our Classic version, we click on the profile picture, and under this profile picture you can see that there is a switch to Salesforce Classic option. Click on this option. After clicking on the switch to Salesforce Classic option, our Classic version is open. Now here we want to learn how to create time field type in Salesforce Classic. So firstly click on the username, and under this username there is a setup option. Click on the setup option. Our setup page is open. After clicking on the setup option, Now enter the lead object in the quick find box, and you can see that the lead object comes under the customize option, and under this lead object there is a fields option. Click on that field. After clicking on the fields option, the lead fields page is open. Now scroll to the bottom of the page. Here we can see that the lead custom fields and relationship section. So for creating the new field, click on the new button. After clicking on the new button, the data type page is open. Here you can see that the loads of data types are present under this page, and we can select one of this data type. So we can select the time data type for creating that time field type. So click on the next button. After clicking on the next button, the lead new custom field page is open. Now enter the details related to this lead new custom field. So firstly, fill the field label. So here we are filling the field label as time limit, and then we want to fill the field name, which is automatically filled by simply selecting the field, and then fill the description if you want to fill, otherwise leave it as it is, and then click on the next button. After clicking on the next button, now establish the field level security. Select the profile to which you want to grant the added access to this field via field level security, and click on the visible checkbox for selecting all the fields, and then click on the next button. After clicking on the next button, we move to the add to page layout. Select the page layouts that should include this field. The field will be added as the last field in the first two column section of this page layout. The field will not appear on any pages if you do not want to select a layout. So click on the save button. After clicking on the save button, our field is created successfully, and this time limit field is placed under the lead custom fields and relationship section. So with this, we have learned how to create time field type in Salesforce. So if this video was helpful, click on the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Thanking you for watching. Have a great day.